this video, we'll introduce you to two more interesting date functions, the EOMONTH function, which gives the end of the month relative to a given date, and the EDATE function, which gives the same day of the month in different months relative to a given date. So let's get right at it. So here we have date March 27, 2019. We want the last day of the previous month. We'll show you all these formulas. Okay, so we go back 1 month, we'll get the last day of the previous month. And suppose we want the first day of the current month. Well, then we go back to the last day of the month before. That's what this -1 is, going back. Negatives are okay. Add 1 day, we get the first day of the current month. Okay, now we want the last day of the current month. We just do end of the month based on the date with 0 months change, so that'd be March 31st. The first day of the next month, you do the end of the current month and you add 1, so we get April Fool's Day, would be the first day of April, which comes after March. Now we want the last day of the selected month last year. How would you do that? That's a little trickier if I put in 2021, not a leap year. Okay, so Excel makes the following decision. So we go back February 28, 2021, go the end of the month, back 12 months, it'll say February 29th, because that would be the last day of February during 2020. Now for the first day of the previous month, we go back to the end of 2 months ago and add 1. So March 27th, the first day of the previous month would be February 1st. Now how about the EDATE function? Let's go through some examples of how that works. So you want to go back -2 when you go back 2 months from February 28, 2019. And so the same day that would be January and December would be December 2018, the 28th. Stay in the current month. You're just going to get back the date that you started with there. Now, February 9, 2020, I want to go that current date 12 months ahead. Well, there's no February 29th in 2021, so does what it can do. It does the end of February 2021, which is going to be 2/28/2021, goes 12 months in the future. Now, basically, if I go 3 months ahead, basically from March 2nd, 2019, that would be April, May, June 2019. So I think you'll find those functions very useful.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.